Hello, and welcome back to another installment of What's in the Box, your favorite YouTube series where we find out what type of uranium glass pieces this crazy collector is putting into his collection now. This is a super special episode because it's not featuring antique glass like we normally have. It's featuring brand new Vaseline glass. Vaseline glass shipped all the way from the Czech Republic. I'm talking about BCV, which has recently come to light as a direct factory seller of uranium glass. They offer prices that are significantly cheaper than what you can find on eBay for the same exact piece and same exact quality. I was really shocked to find out about this. So I bought a big amount of glass, a couple different things that I really wanted, and it came. It's here. So we're going to find out what it looks like. Today, we're going to be doing an unboxing and also a bit of a product review. So let's find out what BCV is all about and what they put in the box.
What's in the box?
2.7 kilograms. It's heavy. This is what BCV has sent me. There are a few pieces in here. I'm really eager to see them, and I hope that they're nice. Are you ready? Let's go. It was pretty nicely packed. I'd say on the sides of the box, on top of what I can see is paper, and then 2 to 3 layers of bubble wrap. The edge seems to have 2 to 3 layers of bubble wrap with about 4 to 5 layers of bubble wrap on the top and bottom. So shipping all the way from the Czech Republic, it did seem to be pretty safe. So there are a couple pieces. I'm gonna quickly sort them so that we can do, like, some of them are covered dishes. I want to do tops and bottoms, and then yeah, we'll go through. So now we've got 3 distinct piles to sort of look at. Smaller, larger, fancy. Let's work our way up. This is the Hedgehog. Oh, nice. This is actually folded over, so it's double thick. Very nice packing. And then to keep him from getting scratched at all, put him in some paper. He's cute. This is one of the ones that spoke to me the most. I've seen him online for about 60 plus shipping, I think, and he was less than $20 from BCV. This was the frog. The clarity is really nice. Last one of the animals that are small. It's spoiling everything. This is the monkey. Oh, he is very cute. Scratching his little head. Just trying to remember where he left his bananas. But he's cute. He's cute. We're gonna mix and match. the bottom for the covered dishes. They had about quite a few, maybe like 6 different covered dish designs. So yeah, got this pretty lady. Very figural. She's wearing a beaded necklace and holding a cloth, and her hair is kind of going everywhere. It looks nice. One more. Ooh. I love the way that feels. Now this was one that I liked right away. You can see it lines up very nicely. It's actually a fairly solid fit. Not really any jiggle. So yeah, it's pretty, very pretty. Three to go. This is the Big Bear. He's big. He's like, I don't know, a pound. You're next. Oh, nice. So pretty. So this one features 2 ladies laying around. Then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 ladies on the bottom. This is really nice. I think this is probably the nicest one. Like this one, okay. I don't love that the bottom is empty, but this one has, it's got nice looks all around. Are you ready to see the last piece? Because I am. Let's go. All right. This is the horse head. Whoa. Very nicely sculpted, but it's pretty. You like horsies? See how it sits, because it's a little bit awkward. Oh no, it sits very well. Very cool. Check it out. Pretty nice. 2 big pieces, 3 animals, 3 covered dishes. You know, it wasn't cheap, but it was not anywhere near what it would have cost had I bought it from a third-party seller online. In fact, when they find out about this, they are going to not be happy because they really put a big markup on it, like a pretty big markup. Granted, eBay takes a lot of money. They take a lot of money. And shipping costs money too. So, you know, for this, I passed the $150 for shipping. So I did get it shipped for free. And I did not go past the $250 for the expedited shipping. There are a couple other pieces that I would like to have, and I will be buying from them again. We're going to do a UV showcase, but now that everything's out of the packaging, I'm going to take a nice look. And I'm going to let you know what I think. I've taken a close look at each of the glass pieces, and I think the best way to go about this is to go with different categories. So first off is color. This has a rich yellow color that has subtle green hues, a classic for Vaseline glass. The quality of the glass is extremely high. There are no bubbles in the glass, there aren't rough edges, the glass is really soft to the touch. The glow for the glass is spot on. This is exactly the bright glow that you're expecting when you buy Vaseline glass. And for the value, who can say no to 1/3 the cost of what's being sold on eBay? Buying direct from the factory absolutely has its advantages. Yeah, so my review is they are good. I'm very pleased with my purchase, and I will be buying from them again. And I will absolutely recommend it. And I will recommend it to you. You should buy from them. If you're curious, just go for it. Give them business. If you'd like to learn more about BCV, you can check them out at bcv.glass. As a reminder, Glass in the Dark has no affiliation with BCV Glass, and we were not sponsored to create this video, though we did contact them to ask a few questions. Give them a look. They're pretty great. That's all I've got for you today. I hope you enjoyed seeing these pieces. I hope you enjoyed the information I had to share. If you've got some questions about them, put them in the comments below. I'll get back to you eventually and let you know what I thought. Well, thank you, as always, for being here, and subscribe to that channel because there are more of these videos coming, baby. I'll be back in another video, but until then, happy hunting.